Never have I ever hooked up with a police officer. Wait a minute, do I drink if I did it? Everyone in college, just drop out. Hey guys, it's Marissa and today we have such a fun video. So we are going to be doing a get ready and get lit with me drunk. We're gonna get drunk. I've been wanting to do this video for so long. I love watching other people's. I think they're so funny. Yeah, I'm filming the intro a different day if that tells you anything about how lit I got. Hope you guys all enjoy. I just wanted to film this little intro. If you guys are new here, my name is Marissa. I do 2 new videos every single week, so make sure you guys are subscribed. The subscribe button is right down below. Make sure you click the bell next to it so you get notified when I upload. And also I will have my Instagram right here, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, that's where I am the most. We also answered some questions in this video from Instagram, and then all my other social medias will be down below. Please give this video a big thumbs up and let's just shut up and get right into it. Guys, we're going to be doing a little makeup tutorial. For any of you little newbies, I don't drink liquor. So I'm on my 4th can of wine. This is 8%. It's like 2 bottles of wine maybe. I don't know. It's definitely more than 1 bottle of wine, but this is my 4th can and I'm feeling good. Also guys, the amount of times I've done my makeup literally drunk, I'm a professional at this. I could do your makeup drunk. Wait, okay Google, please turn this off. I can't it's gonna get copyrighted.
I don't understand.
Just turn it off. Pause this song. Jesus. Hear this cat? It's literally 11 o'clock at night. Go to bed. She can't go to bed because she's nocturnal. Yeah, these are fire. They're from Trader Joe's. Never been to Trader Joe's. It's where you trade your hose for groceries. Today I traded 6 of my hose for this wine. It really wasn't a fair trade because my hoes are pieces of shit. Guys, I asked you guys to ask me questions on Instagram to just like give me a little, you know, a little direction with the video. Whatever you guys wanted me to talk. You guys want me to talk deep while I'm drunk? The f is this shit? I thought you were gonna ask me some like juicy fun questions. No, you guys are like, what's your deepest darkest fear? I'm like, you want me to talk about this drunk? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Want me to cry or something? Only baddies can do this shit. You can only do your makeup drunk as if you're a baddie. Guys, this is never okay to be drunk. That's not, I'm not even, this is a real life rapper that did that to us. Anyway, let me know if you want that story time because what is she talking about? Love to live it, love it, learn it. Is that what they say? That's what the signs say in your mother's room? I bet it does. Live, laugh, love. Inappropriate. 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 Guys, also I lost my nose ring. If you've seen it, return it. Last time I had 4 cans of these, I blacked the f out. And I actually let me tell you the real story of what happened last time I had 4 of these. I should definitely take this out of the video, but I just don't want to. Because this shit is strong. I texted this guy that I used to text and I was like, come over, and he's like, yeah, for sure. This is at 7 in the morning. He's like, yeah, and I'm like, go to the gas station and give me more wine. He's like, yeah. He's sending me, I tell him what kind to get. This man pulls up to my house. I'm not even sleeping yet, and I'm literally just like decided right before I went to bed. I was like, I don't want to see him, so I just didn't respond. He's like, I'm outside, what's the gate code, blah blah blah. I don't answer. And can I tell you ladies what the is up? Let me tell you ladies what the fuck is up. That is such a move. Can I tell you though, this man still be in my DMs. Did he give up? No, because you know what, these men low-key love being treated like shit. Because if a man ever did that shit to me, just know he's on the block list. He's never ever gonna hear from me again. Not this man. No, he's in love more because I treated him like shit. Like, men literally love to be treated like shit, so you should treat them like shit. Anyways, welcome to my TED Talk. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. That was it. This is really the first question. How did the idea of starting OnlyFans come across your mind? If you guys haven't watched my OnlyFans video, it will be linked down below. Wow, she's lit and still promoting. YouTube, I need a raise. The idea of starting an OnlyFans account started when I found out that girls could not post pictures of their asshole, literally unnude photos, and still be making bank. My best friend Ashley said, me your best friend. No, she didn't even answer my phone calls. Anyways, if your name is Ashley, B, because I'm not going to say her last name, you should come visit me in Las Vegas, okay? You should come visit me. I have not seen my best friend for over an entire year. 365 days plus some days. End of discussion. Buy your plane ticket to come see me. What would you tell your younger self? Like, do you guys see what I mean? These are so deep. I think, honestly, the main thing I would tell myself is, well, there's two. Number one would be to get help if you need it. I probably needed it. And it would have made myself a lot easier. Would have made my life a lot easier. I went to therapy kind of late in life. I probably could have done that a lot sooner. Probably avoided some things. Number two, I would tell myself, who the cares what anyone else thinks? It has taken me very long time in my life to get to the point where I don't give... Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking break shit. It's like kicking it. Like, I'm getting hot. It's taken me so long to not care what other people think about me. But I think I'm finally, like, there. I finally, honestly, swear I don't care what people think. And, yeah, I wish that I was like that in high school. I cared so much what people thought about me in high school, especially in high school. These people, who are these people? Nobody. How do you cope with living away from family? By the way, you're gorgeous and I love your videos. Oh my god, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Shit's hard. I really cope by trying to keep busy, to be totally honest, because with COVID, I haven't been able to visit home, you know? Hopefully soon I'll be able to, because my grandparents all got vaccinated, which is what I was kind of waiting for. Also, how hard is living alone? Finances, mental health. Mentally, I just kind of like got into that a little bit, but mentally, for sure it's hard, especially living alone, like no roommates, which is what I live like. Okay, here's the thing, because I've lived with roommates and I've lived alone before this period in my time. Living all by yourself, oh my god, I just got it all over my hand. Living all by yourself like I do right now, a fucking power move, okay? You will feel amazing. You will look around and you will be like, this is my fucking house, these are my fucking whatevers, and this is my fucking whatever. Because you want everything in the house, that shit is yours. Because nobody can tell you shit when you live alone. Literally, I can't tell you shit. Is it fucking lonely? Yes. Living with a roommate, sometimes I got hella annoyed. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys. But financially, it's so much easier and smarter to live with a roommate. Honest to God, I'm doing so good for how low-key up I am. Have you ever wanted to give up on YouTube? What was I saying? Oh yes, giving up on YouTube for sure. Can I give you guys my sob story? Because I'm gonna. When I first started YouTube, I was in high school, middle school, something like that. And people found out when I was in high school, and I remember my teacher put it on the smartboard. I don't even think she was trying to be like a... But the thing is, it was high school, so people made fun of me. Some people were cool with it. Some people made fun of me. I remember I was like talking to this guy, and this girl and her friend. It's just so funny now. Because where the did this end up? In my DMs asking me about my YouTube. But anyway, at the time in school, this girl, I was like talking to this guy, and I guess they went up to this guy and literally was like, don't talk to Marissa. She's so weird for having a YouTube, don't you think? Yeah, I just got so embarrassed and I just kind of fell off from it. I would like still do it every once in a while, but I feel like I definitely I lost a lot of loyal subscribers, and it's like discouraging now because it's like I had all these views when I was in high school and I really f***ed them up, and then because I felt like I cared what people said about me, now I don't get the same amount of views as I used to. So like it's like a little discouraging, and at that point it's like, do I just quit? Like, what do I do? But to be honest with you, I never did YouTube for money. I never did YouTube for views. I never did it for any of that shit. So like it's really like just a fun hobby for me. So every time I think about quitting, I don't actually quit. But like to say that I've never thought about it would be a total lie. The last question that we're going to answer. YouTube life. How do you deal with the pressure of social media and being judged? I'm doing this shit for a long time. I've been getting made fun of in high school. So I've developed like a lot of thick skin Would I say that every comment doesn't hurt me? No. Some specific things will definitely not hurt my feelings, and some specific things definitely will. So like when people comment about, these lashes are not on my inner corner. Yeah, so I'm like used to being judged. Certain comments will still really hurt my feelings. Like anything about my weight, I'm sensitive. I used to be very sensitive about my teeth. I got surgery on them. I'm still kind of sensitive to them. But like the thing is, I have began to like actually real life love myself. I think before I was loving certain areas of myself, not everything. To the point where you can make fun of me for certain things and I can agree with you and still feel confident, if that makes sense. If you like haven't gotten to that point, you just haven't like there is a point where you will feel so secure with yourself that like the thing is, I can look at myself and be like, you know what? I might look low-key ugly without makeup, but I'm still a bad though. And I could be like, oh my god, like my teeth do be really looking like little tiny little things when I could have regular sized teeth, but I do still be a bad like I know I'm a good person, so someone saying I'm a bad person is like, I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. You know what is my biggest fear in life? This is my biggest fear in life. My biggest fear in life is being completely sober and being pulled over and having to do a test to see if like a sobriety, I don't know what they call it, a test to see if I'm drinking and driving, and they're like, count the alphabet backwards. My completely sober ass would never know. Z, I know it starts with a Z. Z, Y, X, W, U, V, R, P, T, Q, S, T, L, M, wait, N, O, O, N, P, L, O, J, G, H, R, C, B, D, A, period. I can't do that sober. I can't do math sober. You think I could do the alphabet? How the I don't even know if I could spell my name backwards. Here's the thing. When I get drunk, I have two moods. And tell me if you guys are different or the same. Have the mood of, I want to keep drinking. Text your friends. Say, what are you doing tonight? Say, where you at? Another part of me is like, no, Marissa, take this makeup off and go to bed. Okay guys, for the last couple minutes, this is just a little surprise. We're gonna play Never Have I Ever. I don't know what to talk about. We need a little tea up in here. You know, like we're drinking, we need a little tea. Never have I ever told a teacher what I really thought of an assignment. No, I didn't. But you know what? I should have. I'm really saddened by myself because I was so scared of school and like teachers and authority. And that probably has to do with some childhood trauma. But like, I didn't need to be that scared of school, like the Never have I ever called the emergency number. I literally just had to call 911 today. Never have I ever bragged to impress someone. I think everyone's bragged to impress someone. And if you say you didn't, you're lying. Never have I ever felt that my teacher was hot. I don't think I've ever had a hot teacher. If you knew where I grew up, you would understand that. This is the dumbest question ever. Anyway, never get this up. If you want to play with your friends, this is stupid. Never have I ever worn mismatched socks. Every bitch has worn mismatched socks. Never have I ever lied to a cop. For sure. Never have I ever sung karaoke at a bar. Yes, I have. Greatest time ever. You should all do it. Never have I ever imagined how one of my supervisors or teachers looked. I just told you all my teachers are ugly. Sorry if you were my teacher. Never have I ever been so angry I wanted to kill someone. What the f*** game is this? This is a fucking app. This that we catching all the murderers today. I never wanted to kill someone. Are you f***ing kidding me? Crazies? Never have I ever hooked up with a police officer. Wait a minute. Do I drink if I did it? Anyway, Black Lives Matter though, because that police officer. Never have I ever written a short story, not for a grade, for that test. Seen an episode of Star Trek. No. Shrek? No. Never have I ever stepped on a slug. No, what? Dropped a ow, my head! Ow! Dropped out of college. Yes. I did drop out of college, you what the do you think this is? It's not a bad thing. Everyone in college, just drop out. I'm kidding. If you don't know what you want your career to be, and you're just in college for your parents, you should drop out. The call me out for dropping out of college? Yeah, bitch. I did the shits. Watch TV for 24 hours straight? No, I have to pee. Broken someone's bones. I don't think I ever broke anyone else's bones. Built a fort out of cushions. Yes, and you should all do. Kept clothes of friends left at my home. Yes, and you should all do. If you don't have a collection of these hose hoodies, start one right now. I want to start a website called Hose Hoodies. And it could be all their clothes, but like hoodies especially. You keep your hose hoodies, and then when your new man wants a hoodie, you give him one of your old hose hoodies, and he cherishes it forever. But deep down, you're 4'11", so if a man wants to think that you wear an extra large hoodie, that's a fucking issue. Never have I ever wished to be born in a friend's body. Babes, never have I ever visited a zoo and wished for the animals to be free. Everybody should. Good. I'm done with this shit. I'm tired. I'm drunk. I'm tired. I'm drunk. Okay, guys, that was the entire video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I know it was low-key a mess, but I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want me to film more drunk videos, let a girl know. And I will see you guys next Monday or Thursday. Peace out.